Hey people, what's going on? It's another food review, and it's about these Simply Cheetos crunchy white cheddar. This is pretty much what it looks like, trying to focus, and it's like, I actually quite enjoy like the crunchy ones a lot more better, like the Cheetos or cheesies as I call them. A lot more crunch to them, a lot more yummy than the soft ones. I quite enjoy them. This is only from the States, so like the flavor is there about the white cheddar. The crunch is definitely there. I would give it a 10 out of 10 for deliciousness. Only if this is in the can though. But no, only can get these in the States. So thanks for watching.